Welcome! Hello my Didge friends, Didge Mama here, and today we're gonna do video number 12, my lucky number, and I'm gonna explain a bit more about that counting of rhythms. Breathing rhythms, that's the most important thing, but also there was a part about counting, and there was one person that actually gave me an answer, and it was the right one. So M. de Vries, you did well. Congratulations. And I think that I didn't get so much responses because I didn't explain it so well. So this time I'm gonna try to explain it better. So, and I made a diagram for all the visual peoples out there. I'm quite visual, so for me this kind of stuff would have helped also. Now it's happening in the brain and I'm turning you around, and on my computer screen you see a diagram. So I wrote goo, 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 and this is the rhythm I played. So now I put some numbers around and colors and lines, so hopefully it will make more sense. So the goo, breathing in, that's what I explained is 2 counts. That is standing here. So goo, breathing in, 2 counts again, goo, breathing in, 2 counts again. So 2, 2, 2 together is 6. And then I have goo, breathing in, goo, breathing in. And I said goo is 3 counts because you have goo and breathing in 3, and goo breathing in 3 is 3 plus 3 is 6 counts. So together we have 12 counts. So M. de Vries, you did well. If you look closely, I wrote something underneath, and I wrote TOO WAT. So last week I also explained something about that you can make the second count sound, because if you play goo, goo, you don't really hear that breathing sound. Now we're gonna put a lot of emphasis on that breathing sound, and that's with what. What is an articulation with the tongue going forward. What, 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 what. And the cheeks will go from round to flat. So first we have the 2. There is the 2. That's your expanding your cheeks, and the what is still the breathing in, so still relaxation, but with an articulation. So here we go. I'm gonna show you on the didgeridoo. So 2, I'm gonna expand my cheeks. Yeah? That should be easy. Breathing out on it. Now comes the what. So my cheeks go from round to flat, the tongue goes forward. What articulation. And I'm breathing in, so it's relaxation. So with the 2, pushing, what, relaxation, air flows back in. Now you can clearly hear the second count. 2 what, 2 what, 2 what, right? Okay, now the other part was T, 2 what. So that I just play a T in front, it's a breathing out. The cheeks stay flat, so we have T, 2 what, T, 2 what, T, 2, T, 2, 3 counts, yeah? I'm gonna play 3, 2 watts. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I'm gonna play 2 T2 watts, and that's 3 times 2. So a T2 watt is 3 counts, and I'm playing it twice, so that's 6 again. So then we have that 12 again on video number 12. Here we go. I'm gonna play it super slow. 2 watt, 2 watt, 2 watt. T, TOO WAT, T, TOO WAT. And then I go back. Yes? See if you can count with me. I'm gonna play. Yeah, that's it. So with the T of the watt, it's a stop, but if you play it a bit faster, it doesn't matter because the rhythm will keep on going. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it and I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. See if you like it. Clear? Okay, so now the idea is that the breathing is the same as the goo, right? I'm gonna go from the 2 watts into the goose, and this is what I often do. So I play around with the rhythm. So the breathing stays the same, but it's gonna completely have a different feel. Goose and 2 watts combined, the same rhythm. It's gonna stay 12 this week. Here we go. So hopefully now you recognize the rhythm. Okay, cool. I hope this is clear. And yeah, I'm super happy because I almost got my 500 subscribers. So please keep sharing, liking, subscribing, and get me my 1,000 subscribers, because the 1,000th person is gonna get a free online lesson with me. And I got a challenge from Andre Louise. And he asked me to roar like a lion. So I'm gonna try. Here's my impression of a lion. Okay, my friends. See you next week, and I hope you get the counting now. And if not, if you want a diagram, let me know. I can easily send it to you because you saw it on my computer. Just for people to see one last time. Here we go. Is it pretty clear like this? I hope so. Bye bye, lovely people. Bye bye.